A lot of places where you usually expect the tire to wash out or lose grip, this continued to have grip and it gave a lot more confidence riding. The bikes we were riding were not mechanically great, but despite that, these tires did manage to give you a lot of confidence. So for people wanting better tires than the OE tires, I think this is a great option to go for.
I think it was very confidence inspiring. I honestly did not think there would be such an appreciable difference between the standard and these Reise tires, and I think the bike was only limited by my capabilities. It was that confidence inspiring.
I was quite surprised. There were sections where I could just power through, not worry about not finding grip. Even at sand sections, there was some loose rocks, loose mud, which I am very afraid of, but there was no sign of slip, so quite impressed by the tires.
I think these tires are tailor-made for the Indian adventure rider. So great news for the Indian adventure rider. Superb tires, performance-wise, grip-wise, on the dirt, can't complain.
I was very happy with how the tire was performing, especially now in this weather where everything is so dry and there's so many loose rocks. I think this was a really good experience with the tires, especially on a bike which isn't totally off-road focused like I'm always used to. I was extremely comfortable for sure.